Hello, welcome to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. If this is your first time of visiting the channel, make sure you do your best to subscribe. Turn on that subscription button, turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I do a new video. Make sure you put down your comment in the comment section. Make sure you like this comment and share it to your friends, so that YouTube pushes to a very high level of audiences. Okay, right now a lot of people have been listening the forex market, and that is the reason behind the WINFX trading establishment, to make about 80 to 99% of traders winner, instead of the nominal adage that says about 90% traders are losers, only 10% are winners. WINFX trading is actually out to optimize the winners to 90%, and we only have few 10%. And reason behind them getting into the losing zone is because they have not found the right source. I think WINFX trading is the best because I have given all I have, all my energy, all my time, all my aspirations, everything to make sure I break the genes. Like I make name, like I help a lot of people to become financially free trading the forex synthetic market. So right now we shall be discussing about live crash300, j10, j100, v75 VIP $20,000 plus rare profit. Subscribe for VIP forex signals for infinity profit. So this is where you can see it. This is a real account. You can see it. You can see over $20,000 plus. You can see it j10. You see all these are profit. You can see v75. All these are profit. You can see crash. I believe in crash. Crash is giving me huge. Crash300 over thousands of dollars. You can see j100 here over $500, over $700. You see, right now I'm going to show you that these are rare. Let me show you, bitch. Let me show you, baby. This is j10. You can see the chart in M1. You see the market have sold several times and is now retracing. So I trade long time, it will still fall, it will still go down, it's just retracing. You can see. So I see if you go to higher time frame, you see like daily, you see that this market is on a daily downtrend, so it's going to crash, it's going to making it that getting rich. But I can't still give it free because it takes me pence and years. Even Microsoft cannot offer you a free software, even though he's among the billionaires in dollars, among the billionaires in the US stock exchange. He will never do that. You have to pay something. So that will make you serious, and that will make the business running. You know, yes, I am self-made. I have money. I'm trading for real. I have money in my account, but it's business. So don't come to my DM and say, WINFX or Daniel, please let me trade your signal for free, because you already rich, you don't need money anymore. Please, if you know that you want to do like that, just find someone else, because I know no reasonable human being will ever render service, a very hard service, a very complicated service like trading, without collecting some charges. So think about it. Actually, this account now is my management account. Like I'm been managing this account for someone, so don't think that it's just I'm almost close to $1 million, therefore my services will be free. I have not cost $1 billion. I have not cost even $10 million. So we are still growing. So all we need is corporate business. You pay me for my services, and then you gain from the services. You appreciate, and I appreciate. So don't think you come to cheat me. It doesn't work. So right here, I will also open this one. This is Volatility 75 index. I seen it. I made this trade. It's selling. You see, it's selling. That's good. It's selling. This is the entry during this final sell. So I got to enter here. You see, a lot of people will make trade at the wrong time. If you sold during this move, you will be losing. But because I know that the market is ready to sell, it is on a breakout. After this retracement, I have to enter and follow this candle. What happened? Huge profit, and it's going to last for long. And if you check here, this is crash. This is okay. Yes, this is crash 1000. You will see my decision. Yes, I made a very big decision. You see, I played this trade when the buyers have saturated. I have a course called Boom and Crash Millionaire course. To join that course, to start enrolling for the course, it will cost $250. Actually, a lot of people don't understand the magic of time frame. They don't understand it. In MO1, it will be like, you will lose. It will be like, it will not work. But we know how we do it in the higher time frame, and we know how we use the microeconomics in the lower time frame to validate our entries. You don't know it. Do you see any indicator here? Indicator will blow your account at 1 times, even millions of times. If you think you are wise, try keep using indicator. You will understand that they will always blow your account millions of times. So long you are alive trading, you will never make a dime. All you need is strong training, price action driven training, demand and supply, candlestick pattern trading, market structures, which is also candlestick pattern trading. Are you getting what I mean? So you see here, jump 100 index, jump 100 index, jump 100 index. I see. Yes, I know it is that. That's a breaker. Actually, I traded a breaker. I trade both complicated setup and simple setup. You see, nobody will ever believe that this will sell, but I did it because the support has been reacted several times, and this a kind of inverted V with multiple M's, and then it's very symmetrical. Definitely is going to do the opposite of what it did like when it was in previous direction. It's going to, that is how the structure happens, it's going to do it in opposite direction, and that is what it's doing right here. I see it. Yes, you won't understand until you enroll for my jump indices millionaire course. Just $300 to enroll. Just how to trade jump indices. You don't need to beat around the bush or run helter-skelters. All you need is just one course. I have a lot of courses. Each of them have their price tag. Go down the description of this video. You will see a price list. Change your life. Don't learn more than one unless you have enough capital, but just one course, your life is changed. Start changing your life. The courses are rendered via Telegram, and then the YouTube playlist link will be given a private YouTube link. That is, I call it VIP forex synthetic courses. You have access to each course you buy on a YouTube as a playlist, and then you watch it. Those playlists are not public, they are private. Only me have access to them. So you have to change your life, or if you want to die in poverty, no problem. You can still watch my free content. You can still be rich watching my free content, but it will not long you will crash because you don't know the secret. But a lot of people have used my free content, they made it, but after some time they crash because there are things I didn't tell them. Yes, you need to get all the accurate information for you to succeed in this forex market. Okay, I think I will be ending this video. There's something I have not said. Remember the topic of this video: live cash 300, j10, j100, v75, VIP $20,000 plus real profit. Subscribe for VIP forex signals for infinity profit. Okay, right now, please do yourself best. The minimum subscription is $100. Do yourself best time. Even if it is $100 you subscribe per month, is a monthly renewable. Then we have annually renewable, about $840 renewable per year. Then we have lifetime, which is $1,000 forever, from like generation to generation. Because even if I leave this planet Earth, my children will take over this Telegram channel. They will continue the good work. One of my children, they will continue the good work. Why not change your life? Change your life, bitch. Work hard, wake up, take action, make money, and go and surprise the bitch, surprise your family members, surprise the government. Because government themselves, they push the market, they trade the forex market. They are the main big boss. Even financial institutions, they are the big boss. But we as middlemen, we as signal providers, we fight them and we win them. That's why I'm in FX trading. I win them every time. They are looking to kill me, but they will never see me because I'm anonymous. Yet I save lives. People should take action right here. Comment your country, US, Europe, Africa, any part of the world you are. I'm going to make sure I connect you to wealth. Actually, we are working hard on cryptocurrency trading, NFTs, metaverses, and most powerful coins that are going to replace the paper money, because soon everyone will be using coins and no longer paper money. Or mode of payment is gonna change to cryptos and no longer MasterCard and all of that. Okay, that is by the way. Please secure your wealth so that during these fiat to crypto transformations, you can not carry over all your paper money, all your MasterCard money, all your perfect money, all your e-monies, and then convert into cryptocurrencies, so that you will not be a slave to others then. Because about 80% of the world is going to be slave to the 20% of the wealthy. That is the game. Why not struggle to be among? Don't subscribe to my channel and remain poor. Take action today. Bye for now.